Next, I will discuss with you the proper method of lighting the hot water tank. Because this is a gas hot water heater, we need to ensure that the hot water tank is getting gas. If we look at this valve here, it is in the off position. In order to properly light the pilot light, we must first turn the valve on by rotating it 90 degrees. Next, we will remove this door to allow us to see the pilot light. To do that, simply squeeze together and pull out. The door will then remove. You can see behind the door there is a sealed window which will allow you to see the pilot light and when it is lit. We also have a rotating control panel on the side and the top of the control box. At the top we have 3 different settings of off, pilot, and the on position. On the rotating wheel, it will rotate from pilot lighting all the way to very hot. To turn on the hot water heater, simply rotate it all the way around until the arrow lines up with the pilot lighting circle. Next, we will need to take the top control and rotate it to pilot. After rotating it to the pilot position, take your thumb and push down. This will bleed the lines, which means that it's taking all of the air out of the gas line and allowing gas to flow to the pilot light. Hold down this control for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. After holding it down, there is an ignition switch, which is this green button. After 30 to 60 seconds, I will push this ignition switch, which will in turn light the pilot light. If you can see in that window, I will now press the green button and nothing happens. And there, it lit the pilot light. After the pilot light is lit, you need to continue to hold down the top control for approximately another 30 seconds. This will ensure there is enough gas getting to the pilot light. You may need to hit the green ignition switch 5 or 6 times before the pilot light will actually light. After the pilot light is lit and I have held down the control the control valve for approximately 30 seconds, release the valve and turn it to the on position. As you can see in the window, the pilot light is still lit. At this point, your pilot light is lit and you need to set your hot water heater to the correct setting. Simply take the front rotational control and rotate it to the desired heat of your hot water tank. The average hot water tank setting will be when the big arrow meets the little arrow. If you desire it hotter or colder, you may adjust it by either turning it up or down. Thank you and have a nice day.